Guys, and welcome back to Cooper's Words of Wisdom. In today's video, I'll be explaining what Christianity is. Now, this is very first Mightiful Monday video. Woo! Who's excited? Because I know I am. Alright, so, what is Christianity? Christianity is a religion based upon Jesus of Nazareth's life and his teachings. It is the largest religion in the world today with more than 2.2 billion followers. Now, the world population is approximately about 7.5 billion. Imagine 2.2 of those billion compared to that 7.5. So 2.2 of those 7.5 billion people are Christians. Now, Jesus was born in approximately 7 BC, and it is believed he began teaching in Galilee after his 30th year. Christianity is divided into many denominations or sectors, and the major ones include Roman Catholic, Eastern Orthodox, and Protestantism. Most who follow Christianity believe that Jesus was crucified on the cross, was buried, resurrected, granting eternal life to those who believe in him, and that he died for the forgiveness of their sins. The question is, do you believe in it? That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on bell notifications since I'm now posting videos Monday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And hope to see you soon, and have a good day.